Hello, Annie. I'm Joe New.
Hello, Alexander.
Hello, Melinda.
Hello, Kyle.
Hello, Jeff.
Hello,
Sarah.
Stacey. Hello, Michael.
Aaron, Megan, McGee, Max, Omar, Piyush, Samuel,
Vitaly, Walter.
I'm Joe New, the
Energy
Energizer host. I'm here to help you understand and interpret the cost savings and comfort recommendations we have prepared for your home. Now, when we are looking at images in this color spectrum, yellow is hot and blue is cold. There's likely small gaps, air gaps and leaks, incidental airflow, air leakage, top plate leakage. The airflow behind your walls allows for air to pass from the upper attics all the way to the basement. And this air gap affects the occupant comfort, making the rooms below less comfortable. Air seal your attic. Fully air sealing your attic, insulating your basement room joists. Weather stripping may need to be replaced. Add insulation to your attic hatch. Weak vertical wall insulation in your attic. Missing or having gaps of insulation to improve your current insulation levels, which will greatly reduce that heat gain that we noticed in the thermal images. Now, that's most of our suggestions that we have for you at this time. Do not hesitate to reach out to us with any questions via email at hello@homeboost.com. Thanks, Annie.